Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a cup of tea. Begin the video by setting the scene, a detailed drawing tutorial for a steaming cup of tea. Emphasize the importance of capturing the essence of warmth in drawing. Demonstrate techniques for drawing realistic tea ripples in the cup. Share tips on shading to create depth and give the tea a lifelike appearance. Explain the significance of choosing the right pencil grades for different details. Encourage viewers to pay attention to the reflection in the tea's surface. Introduce subtle details like condensation droplets on the cup. Discuss the importance of observing reference images for accuracy. Provide time saving tips for achieving realistic textures in the tea. Discuss the choice of paper and how it affects the final result. Showcase blending techniques to soften edges and create a smooth look. Share insights on using razors effectively to add highlights. Emphasize the impact of shadows in making the drawing three-dimensional. Highlight the importance of patience in achieving intricate details. Show how to add details like tea leaves or a teaspoon for extra realism. Discuss the role of contrast in making certain elements pop. Encourage experimentation with different perspectives for a dynamic drawing. Share personal anecdotes or experiences related to enjoying tea. Thanks for watching this video.